Hi there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and tonight in this little corner of paradise, we're gonna preserve some garlic. It's a super simple thing to do and there's no canning involved. You know, a couple of weeks ago, I bought some fresh garlic for a dish that I wanted to make. And I had about 1.5 bulbs of garlic left. So it was sitting up here on the counter and I noticed this morning that a few of the cloves in the bulbs were getting too mushy. And I thought, I don't want all this to go to waste. What can I do? So I decided I needed to find a way to preserve it. So this is how it's gonna happen. I got most of the skin off of it, but an easy way to get the rest of it off is to cut that bottom piece off. This tough piece at the bottom of your clove. Just cut it off and stick the rest of the clove in a jar. Now we're going to put the lid on this, and then you're going to shake it. Shake the mess out of it. What this is going to do is take the rest of the skins off of your garlic cloves. Now let's see how well that worked. And all of the ones with the skins removed, stick them in this jar. Now there are a few right here that still have the skins on, and what I'll do is just save these for dinner tomorrow night. Now I'm going to rinse these off, put them onto a paper towel, pat them dry, stick them back in. I don't wash my garlic before I cut it up, so I wanted to wash it before I put it back in the jar. Now the next step is to pour this heated vinegar into the jar. Cover your garlic with it. Put your lid on. Throw it in the refrigerator. This will last for months in your refrigerator. So how do you like that? An easy, simple way to preserve garlic and keep it from going bad. You guys have a great day. And I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?